Silverstone. It's a very historic track, 5.9 kilometers, 52 laps. It's one of the greatest tracks in the world. I know the track very well. I won the last year. It's amazing, especially first sector. It's very quick. Beckett's chicane, it's very great just because you arrive at very high speed. It's very technical. You need a very good car there just to put the car where you want to put it, you know.
It's a track that from one session to another one, the driver will say something is broken in the car, and it's just because the wind has a turnaround, and it's just instead of getting headwind, it gets a crosswind or tailwind, and any of these changes will affect the confidence of the driver.
I think the changes they made to the track last year were really good, especially on the entry into the fast right-hander. They created more overtaking. It's a circuit where KERS will definitely have an influence, particularly coming back into that sector, and also on the pit lane straight. It'd be very interesting to see if KERS combined with the movable rear wing will create more overtaking there.
Our team is very close from Silverstone. For sure we will have all the staff supporting us. It will be very special for us.